Alright, Precal Spring Final Review. We're looking at 19, 20, 21, 22. So let's check out 19 first. So we're changing these points to polar form. So let's take our first set here, negative 2 root 3 and negative 2. So we're going to convert to polar form, which means we need to plug into x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And then we're also going to plug into tan theta equals y over x. So we can find r and theta this way, which is what polar form is. It's r theta. Okay, so for this guy, we're going to have negative 2 root 3 squared plus negative 2 squared equals r squared. So we put this in the calculator, choose parentheses. You'll get that negative 2 root 3 squared is 12. Then we have plus 4 equals r squared. So 16 equals r squared. So r must be 4. So there's one part of it. Now we need to do the other half. So tan theta equals y over x. So tan theta equals negative 2 over negative 2 root 3. So in order to find this, we plug it into our calculators. So we should get, tan inverse. So theta equals arctan, or the tan inverse is how you find theta in the calculator. So this will give us 30 degrees. Now if we go back and look at this, it's always helpful, I should have done this at the beginning, I'm sorry, we'll do this on the others. Negative 2 root 3 is going to be here, negative 2 is down here, so we're looking in this quadrant, number 3. So we need to make sure our answer is also in the same quadrant, and if you look at this, 30 degrees is not going to be in this quadrant, it's going to be over here. So we need to find the here's 30 right here. We need to find the reference angle that'll be in this quadrant, in the correct quadrant. So we're going to add 180, so plus 180 to get it in the correct quadrant. So plus 180, and that's going to equal 210 degrees. So our final answer for number 19, the polar form of those coordinates, or that coordinate, is 210 degrees. Okay, now let's continue to number 20. So number 20, we have 2 and 6. So we're going to be doing the same exact thing. We're just trying to find r and theta. So we're going to plug into the same equation. So we've got x squared plus y squared equals r squared, and then tan theta equals y over x. So let's plug them in. 2 squared plus 6 squared equals r squared. So that's 4 plus 36 equals r squared. So 40 equals r squared, so we take the square root. This will break down to the square root of 4 times the square root of 10, which is equivalent to 2 root 10. So here's our r value. Now let's find theta. So tan theta equals y over x. If we put this into our calculator, we'll say the calculator form would be tan inverse of y over x. And so theta is going to equal 71.6 degrees. So here's our r, here's our theta. So our final answer is going to be 2 root 10, 71.6. And just to clarify, 2, 6 is going to be in this quadrant here. 71.6 degrees will be also in this first quadrant, between 0 and 90 degrees. So this is correct, so we don't need to add anything to it. So our answer is here. 2 root 10, 71.6 degrees. We'll continue with 21 and 22 in the next clip.